Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and safety. First, verify the electricity saver matches your supply, 110-240V and single phase if required, and shut off the relevant breaker. Next, position yourself at the panel with an insulated screwdriver and a clamp meter. These are essential. Once done, open the unit's manual for the quick start diagram and identify the live, neutral, and earth connections. Make sure to wear gloves. You will connect only when the breaker is off and readings are clear. You now mount and wire the device. Begin by securing the saver within 2 meters of the main breaker to minimize wiring losses, then attach live, neutral, and earth to their labeled terminals. Tighten to the torque spec in the manual. Once wired, restore power briefly to confirm LED status, then power down to set operational parameters. Choose mode, input load class, and timing delay. Make changes incrementally and log each setting. This helps stabilize operation and prevents sudden load shifts. You finish by testing and fine-tuning. First, record baseline consumption with a clamp meter, then switch the saver on and measure again. Typical reductions are 5 to 15% depending on load. Once satisfied, tweak delay and sensitivity to eliminate flicker or unwanted trips. Small increments matter. If things go wrong, stop, turn off power, and recheck wiring and neutral continuity. Make sure firmware is current if applicable. Finally, monitor for 24-72 hours and note any anomalies for further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.